Welcome back to the challenge. Pricey's Fishing Adventures. The challenge is 3 rods, 3 fish, 3 different reels. Well, they're all performing superbly this morning. Great conditions. Gary and James are paying their taxes. S is probably paying his taxes, which means Pricey can fish. Why, thank you, boys. Alright, John just got in. We have a few. They'll all be set free. 87, yes, set free. So, we'll be showing a video of you releasing all the fish for 87, because he doesn't believe us. That's a lovely, lovely size. Oh, excellent fish here this morning. On the G float, on the old school LV reel. The challenge is behind us. The fish are too. Yeah, powerful, powerful fish this morning. Except for the pelicans, they want to feed. Alright, the challenge will continue. A bit of a tangle, we'll sort that out. There we go. Lovely size. Close up 87. Circle hooks. Those stupid green hooks. Right. Now the gentleman's here. That's more elegant, Mr. Price. Much more elegant. One, two. Okay. Let's get this bucket in the right position. Okay, back to the challenge. Which one? 1, 2 or 3? Let's go for 2. Alright. A knot at the end. Probably can fix that up. There we go. Old school float. Old school LV reel. Let's get back to the challenge. Right. All got single hooks on today. Make the challenge fair. Right. Right. Let's get it out there. Same rigs, circle hooks, green weed, make the challenge fair. Alright, once, twice, that was 3 times, Mr. Price. There we go, an old school LV reel. Every live strike on this one. Set up different. There we go. Gone. It's gone on the old school. I believe it's a little 3-inch or 4-inch LV. The tech guy will tell me in the comments. There we go. Out there. Pricey should be down shortly. Just about there it was. Very low tech. Somewhere around there. Right, challenge 3 float challenge continuing this morning. That was up late. Horrible cast, Mr. Price, horrible cast. Let's tidy up that bait. Get it out there. There we go. Pelicans are all here. They're not getting their food, but we are. Alright. There we go. The 3 float challenge. 50-year-old reel. Comments below, how old do you think this rod and reel are? What's the make of the rod? Or the float for that matter. Right, medium size. Leave comments below. Right. Oh, small one for today's day. The 3 rod challenge. There they are in the background. On circle hooks. Alright. We'll keep this going and we'll release all the fish. We'll go for a wander down the stream to get rid of them all. There we go. We're going to have the 3 rod challenge release. Right. In the bucket. There they are. Not go downstream a bit. There we go. I know the pelicans to get on. There we go. The 3 rod challenge release. There we go. Back around. We'll get back here.